When you think of farming, what comes to mind? For most of us, we picture open fields and tractors, maybe long rows of crops stretching to the horizon. But what if I told you that farming's future could look very, very different? Today, I spent some time touring the National Innovation Centre in Sydney, which is a place with an incredible history of breakthrough ideas. In fact, for more than 25 years, Cicada Innovations, who operate this facility, have been helping Aussie startups bring world-changing technology to life. So this is the building where Wi-Fi was invented, where companies like SpeedX have gone to develop, cutting-edge PCR tests, which initially were for testing for COVID-19, now for early detection of cancers. And it's a good reminder of just how much innovation is actually being nurtured right here in Australia. And right here in this hub is Invertigro, a company that's reinventing what farming can be. Their vertical farming hydroponics tech grows plants, get this 50% faster while using 95% less water. And watching this stuff in action, a whole lot of their proprietary tech they've developed was incredibly cool. This is farming that doesn't rely on soil or sunshine or hectares of land, and it makes it possible to grow food sustainably and anywhere in the world. It really was pretty cool to just see how much innovation is happening right here on our shores in Australia, and a great reminder that the future of technology, the future of food is looking incredibly different and really, really bright.